You guys, welcome back. The weather is getting warmer and barbecue season is right around the corner. Today I'll be making chicken satay or gai satay. It's meat marinated in a fresh and dried herb mixture served with a peanut curry dipping sauce and a quick cucumber pickle. Let's get started. And a quick rinse. I'll prepare some fresh aromatics for an herb mixture that will go in the marinade. We'll need some lemongrass and cilantro stems. Blend this all together with some coconut milk. This herb mixture is ready to be used soon. It smells so fresh. Now for protein, I'm using chicken breast here, but you can also use beef, pork, and tofu. All will taste great. Let's marinate the meat. I'm using all dried spices here. It's what I have at the moment. But if you have any whole dried spices, you can toast them up in a pan until aromatic, then grind them up. If you have them in fresh form, like galangal, you could blend it up with the herb mixture that was made earlier. All will work just fine. I like to use oyster sauce in here. It adds a deeper savory and umami flavor. Otherwise, you can use salt to taste instead. Leave this to marinate for at least 4 hours, but I recommend overnight so the flavors will bloom and infuse completely and tenderizing it. The chicken has been marinating overnight, and it appears that this marinade has tenderized and fully infused its flavors into the meat. It's gonna be tasty. Let's skewer them up. There's no right or wrong way. Portion out each of the skewers the way you like. Satay is usually served with several condiments, and I'll be making 2 of the most common ones. The first one is called Ajat, which is a super simple pickle that involves just a few ingredients: cucumber, red chilies, shallots. And for this easy pickling liquid, just sugar and vinegar. Allow this pickling liquid to cool down completely and then add it to the cucumber, chilies, and shallots. Let it sit for about 10 minutes and it's ready to eat. The second condiment is a peanut curry dipping sauce. First, I'll need to toast up some peanuts to crush it up and sprinkle into the dipping sauce. To make this sauce, first we need to reduce this coconut milk on medium heat till it thickens up a bit and the coconut oil begins to render out from the milk. Looks good about here. In goes the masaman curry paste. You can either use store-bought Penang or masaman curry paste for this. Both work well. Curry pastes have different levels of saltiness, and you might not need to add any fish sauce. Mine is already salty enough, but feel free to add a splash to taste if you like. Palm sugar to bring out the flavors of the curry paste. Tamarind concentrate to round out the flavors. And the crushed toasted peanuts for nuttiness and fragrance. Some more toasted peanuts and it's done. These skewers are traditionally grilled on a charcoal flame. I don't have one, but this grill pan will do just fine. It also tastes great baked and deep fried. There's something about skewers that remind me of summertime and having barbecue and picnics outdoors. I can't wait until the weather warms up enough just to do that. While these skewers are cooking, brush coconut milk on all sides and then stop to allow them to cook and to prevent any contamination. Rotate them, turn them. This will allow the meat to cook evenly. Here we have it, chicken satay, also known as kai satay. I hope you give it a try. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and leave a comment below. I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.